Messiahs. We're going to make New Year's cupcakes, and I dare you to be a little bit different and try some decorations that you may not always choose. You can always go for the champagne bottle that's a candle made out of wax, or something a little bit more edible like a sugar topper, but try something like this. You can do any kind of topping that you like with your icing, which I'll show you how to do, but try to use something like a plastic garland full of stars, or something that's a little bit out of the ordinary. For these cupcakes, I did New Year's in Paris, and how the Eiffel Tower always sparkles for New Year's and all through the year too. If you'd like to ice with a perfect spiral icing, just take a flour tip, fill a pastry bag with the icing of your choice, and just uniformly go around in a circle. We'll go ahead and we'll take our fun sparkly star garland, and we'll cut a little piece of it, twist it up a little, place it right on top, and check out these cute little Eiffel Towers. You can place that right in the cake and you are all set.